Hi guys, Dan's Dollars here. We are back with close-up coins. Good luck to everyone that wants to play along this week. Last week I was a little bit mean, so I have tried to make it a little bit easier. But again, a huge shout out to John Camp, who actually managed to get 6 out of the 7 correct last week. So we're going to go through them one by one. They're just going to be quickly coming up on the screen, and then they'll all come through a little bit longer at the end, to give you guys at home a little bit more time to concentrate, especially without me talking on in the background. So there's 5 different 50p coins to try and guess. Get them there in the comments section below. All 5 of them are UK 50p coins, and they are all currently in UK circulation. There is a tiebreaker this week as well, so please do try and guess what the tiebreaker coin is. That coin is a territory coin, so it could be from the Isle of Man, Jersey, Guernsey, Gibraltar. I have just thrown that in there, so just in case if a lot of people do get 5 correct, we'll go to the tiebreaker, and if there is only, again, one person guess that tiebreaker correctly, they will win the prize. If more people as well do get the tiebreaker right, we'll go back to the Bowl of Doom to get the winner. But I do think this way would be a little bit fairer, especially if no one else gets it right and you're the only one that gets that tiebreaker right as well. So below, get the numbers 1 to 5, see if you can guess them correctly. Some of them a little bit easier than others, but there are some difficult ones in there as well. Hope you enjoy this game. You've got until midnight on Saturday to get those comments in that comment section below. And again, there will be a prize for whoever does manage to guess them all correct. I hope you all have a really nice day. There'll be plenty more videos coming up on the channel this evening. I'm feeling a lot better now. Hopefully the legs do as well over the next few days as well. Stay safe, and as always, guys, thanks for watching.